Chilly kind of Saturday weather we had. We are looking at temperatures right now still stuck in the 50s. Very dry air has been in place with our dew point temperatures in the 20s or lower 30s. So you probably noticed that really dry feel. Not much wind right now, and with the cold air, with our clear skies and with little wind, we're looking at another night tonight pretty much just as cold as it was this morning and last night, mainly in the 30s, both north and south of the lake. We'll get to that in a second, but first, current temperatures, most of us in the 50s with our highs today only lower to middle 50s for most spots. Winds mostly coming in from the north, not very strong, and we have surface high pressure out to the north of us and another surface high just out to the west of us. We're going to be waiting a little while to get some different kind of weather. Tomorrow we will start to warm up as we see high pressure move to the east, and we will get a return of southerly winds. But it's going to take, again, as I said, a bit to get some of these clouds out west and some of this rain to us, although we do have rain chances during the work week. Look at all this rain mixing with some wintry precipitation in the northern part of California. This very defined swirl, of course, is the low, and this has just been directing all this moisture into that part of the U.S., the west coast for California. So a lot of activity over there. Unfortunately, a lot of rain that they've already had a lot of. Tonight for us, what we're looking at is just cold conditions as we get toward freezing north of the lake. Our low there was 30 this morning. I have us right at freezing again for early tomorrow morning. So frost or a light freeze, a brief light freeze expected there. If you're south of the lake, expect about 39. That was our low early this morning, and I have us right there, very close to that for early tomorrow. Might be 40 degrees officially, but we will be close to the upper 30s in a lot of South Shore spots. And then tomorrow, high temperatures back in the 60s, so we will be warming up. The big thing will be the switch over with our winds becoming southeasterly at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and again, lots of sun. So here's our forecast starting off tomorrow morning. You can see how cold it will be right near freezing north of the lake. And this model does have some 40s to upper 30s south of the lake. This is by lunchtime tomorrow. Beautiful day, but a little cool, still in the lower 60s at lunch. 3 p.m. we're hitting our highs in the middle 60s. And then if you're out later tomorrow evening, we'll be dropping after sunset into the 50s. Tomorrow your planner looks like this. So enjoy it. Just grab a jacket, maybe a coat for some of you, especially out in the morning or in the evening. And you should have a pretty good day, I think. Looking ahead to Monday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, temperatures get all the way into the 70s. So for different events and day of service events, it does look like we'll have actually fairly nice weather. It'll be warmer, a mix of clouds and sun expected, a little breezy with those south winds up to 15 miles per hour. And we will have a chance Monday for a couple of stray showers. Not a really high chance for rain, though. We'll keep it near 10% Monday. We'll bump it up to 30% Tuesday and Wednesday as a front gets near us, but stalls to our west. And then Thursday looks like the day with the highest chance for rain. Giving you a quick look, you saw Monday pretty quiet. This is Tuesday morning. Our European model wants to bring in a couple of showers. And then as we move into Wednesday, again, we'll have a chance, maybe 20 or 30% for a few showers. But by Wednesday, some of the rain will be gathering some strength and getting a little more intense out to our west. This takes us to Thursday. Both global models, the GFS and the Euro, a few differences, but it looks like Thursday morning, kind of like what we saw this past week. We will get a line of some showers and storms moving in pretty quickly, and then we'll be drying out for Thursday night and into Friday. Now, looking ahead to next weekend, if you're interested in that, Friday looks nice and dry and a little cooler with that front. Saturday, though, we could already have a few showers and maybe a couple storms back in the forecast, and that could be the case into Sunday, too, because that front will bounce back north as a warm front, and we may see a couple disturbances near that front try to spark some of those showers and storms. So a little bit of a different weekend forecast a week from now, but certainly enjoy tomorrow's beautiful weather and then get ready for the big warm-up during the work week.